Hey guys, I'm here today to check out NCT U's newest song titled Rain Day, and I have been so excited for this, of course, my favorite group NCT. It honestly feels so weird to not have done an NCT reaction what feels like such a long time, because there was a point where I was doing them almost every day, I want to say. Like, it was just constant, you know, so much NCT content, and now it's been a minute. And yeah, we do have a new song though, and produced by Kun, which is awesome. I'm so happy for him. Like, I know that he's really been working a lot more in the kind of behind the scenes and actual composition aspect of music, and it's just really exciting that, you know, one of his pieces got to see the light of day and be like a whole release of its own. So really excited for him. And then Young and Tail, of course, are a part of this as well. And then I saw like in the mentions that Junie helped with putting this song together as well. Awesome. Like him a lot too. So overall, this is just super exciting. I'm just happy for all of them and very excited to check this out. So without further ado, let's hop right in. Okay, it's already so pretty wet. That's so cute. Okay, everyone's on the phone. Should I join in? Rain, okay, right, of course, Rain. Such a cool video style. It feels so lighthearted and sweet. Oh. Pretty vocals. I love that nighttime aesthetic. Listen up so I can be the one to, yeah, show you how to love. Falling down all night, driving down your way tonight. The instrumental right here is so good. Oh, the mood of that, it felt so youthful and it just makes you feel so light. Wow, it's just one of those really beautiful, chill types of songs. Oh, that was so sweet, and the way they filmed it, like, I don't know, it really gave off that very lighthearted feeling, and I thought it was just really cool how they styled a lot of the shots where one of the members would be like up close right up by the camera, and then the rest of them would be like having fun in the background, and I just thought the whole thing was very interesting and just creative. I just feel like with music videos there have been so many new styles happening lately, and yeah, it's just always cool to see it. I feel like a lot of artists are just doing a really good job of like putting their own spin on things lately, and this felt very unique. Definitely has that mood lifting quality to it, and it's really just one of those like chill and enjoy your life types of songs, you know? Just the vocals are so pretty, you know, you have to appreciate it from that aspect as well. Everything about it is just so happy. So well done, of course. I never expect any less from NCT. And it's especially exciting that, you know, they had more of a direct hand in creating this because I don't know, it just makes it that little bit much more personal. So yeah, alright. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you'd like to check out any of my other links, leave in the description box down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.